Good morning. We just docked in Corfu, Greece. So we're gonna head out and see what Corfu has to offer. This isn't the first time we've been to Greece. I've been to Greece before in Santorini and Mykonos. So it's really exciting to see what Corfu has to offer compared to the busier and more popular places like Santorini and Mykonos. I've only heard of Corfu because of this cruise, because we're passing by. I've done a little bit of research. I'm excited to see what is in Corfu. I'll bring you along with me and hopefully it'll be a very productive day. Let's go! On our way to the Old Fort. This is the first stop here in Corfu, Greece.
Be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
made with almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant. Fancy pie, and then yogurt with honey. On the bus on the way back to the ship. There wasn't much to do here in Corfu, to be honest. Now I'm thinking if we made the mistake and we should have went to the beach instead of the city center. But it's only been 2 hours that we've been walking around, like the market and then the forts, and then that's it. There was not much else to do. So we're now just gonna head back to the ship, maybe swim and do some surfing, and spend the rest of the day in Greece on the ship. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta say it's not my favorite place. I really enjoyed Mykonos and Santorini before, so if given a chance, I'd rather we went back there than here. But I mean, it's an experience to see Corfu, I guess, at least once in your life. So that's it. That's where the vlog ends, and we'll see you on the next vlog where we'll be in Sicily.